And there's one thing that is consistent with all successful team. Ano yun? They all embrace struggle.
So, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon and welcome to the Philippine Dental Association Batch Kapatiran Team Building event with the theme Strength in Unity.
So, my fellow officers, my fellow leaders, today we will be a team and we will acknowledge and be grateful for the presence of each other.
Being leaders and officers of our organization, we should exemplify qualities of good and effective leaders. But let me remind everyone that leadership is not just about titles.
Please join a warm welcome for the inspiring leader and radiant influencer, Miss Tony Miranda.
And there's one thing that is consistent with all successful team. Ano yun? They all embrace struggle. Those who held on to struggle became successful, but why choose to hold on to struggle? Because they know at that moment, everyone gave up or gives up. Everyone fall apart. So those who want to be successful, they don't choose to fall apart. Okay, what are the three things that they focus on? Mahirap kaya mag-hold on sa struggle, right? Ayoko, mahirap. They focus on three simple things. First, they try to understand first their nature, their identity, that no one is designed to be alone. Do you agree with that nature? No one. Kaya even if kaya natin, meron siyang kakambal na maling trait, pride at fear. Right? So that's the first thing. They understand that we are not designed to what? Perform and live alone. Second, they also understand the truth that we can actually choose. Every day is a choice to work together in spite of differences. It's a choice, right? That every day, like today, I can choose to work together in spite of being different with my roommate. Tomorrow, I will also choose to just work together in spite of not knowing ano na naman ang mood ng isang tao. So that's the second thing. Simple, but not easy, right? Third thing, they choose to focus on preparing themselves for struggle rather than just focusing on the goal. Malaking difference, no? And how did I learn that and how, what is this thing that really pushed me to search, ano bang magandang formula? So I look at the basketball teams. Meron tinatawag na inner game, no? Inner game. So they focus on what will happen pag naagaw yung bola. What will happen kapag nag-foul? Rather than focusing on being a champion. Start from trust, and then we now know the nature that we're not supposed to be alone. We need to engage. We need to do whatever it takes, whether comfortable or uncomfortable, to engage. And we also need to understand and accept that we need to be accountable. Someone has to check on us. Someone has to give feedback. And of course, mahirap mag-push kung walang motivation, right? So we already have a different programming. Okay, can you say that word again? Programming. Programming. So because of that programming, you have different preferences, right? And because of those, preference 1, preference 2, preference 3, you have different view of what is a teamwork. So even if you wanted to choose every day to be with a team or have a teamwork, pwedeng yung version niya, iba sa version natin, right? Bas na pintuan. Okay, I made something for you. We can have a goal as a team, especially when those things are happening, right? Kung sa tingin tayong winner, pero sa tingin ng isa siya rin ang winner. Pero kung dalawang winner sa team, dalawa pero magkahiwalay na winner, walang team, right? So I made a team goal for you. Then palakpakan nyo naman for the effort, okay? So this is your team goal, okay? You need to always share knowledge. You need to be accountable with each other. Of course, we need to participate, and you got that kanina. You really participated. Thank you so much. You did not make it difficult for your facilitator. And, dagdagan ko yan, you did not make it difficult for your gorgeous facilitator. Agree naman. Woohoo! Diba? Okay, and of course, I'm sure you will choose to adopt. And I believe you trust each other, right? You trust each other. Then, you now wanted to also make all feel that they are included, regardless of rank. I'm sure you agree. And then, of course, you respect each other. You always make sure realign. For 1 year, you will be together. Then another year, another, sabihin nating group na naman in another batch. And we really do not have much time to relax and say, mag-a-adjust din kami in the future. Because walang months are running, right? Days are running. And of course, mawawala ba yung support each other? Nurturing. Everyone, etong kapatiran goal. You can actually strengthen each other to make it work. Gawin natin. Yung kanina, no, how to make that tower higher is to understand each other's preferences, which is we did kanina sa color, right? And then you have to also understand na hindi kayo para-para na skills even if all of you are dentists or magkakaiba tayo ng sabihin ng achievement. Some are 10 years, 15 years. It's just that magkakaiba kayo ng way nung na-achieve yun. What will change the team to leveling up or leaping forward is not the emotion before motion. It's not the reaction before action. So let's now level up dun sa together. Ano nga yung dating team? Together, everyone achieves more. Now, we trust, and because of trust, we what? Engage. And when we engage, we have to monitor, being accountable to each other. And we know that it's not a perfect journey, so we want to always be that person who motivates rather than demotivates.
First of all, Ma'am Tony, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude po na lahat kami dito, pinakita niyo po kung ano ang aming strength.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Tony. So now, nalaman namin kung saan yung kahinaan namin.
Thank you for the love, Miss Tony. At maraming salamat for all the learnings, the inputs na ibinigay mo sa aming grupo na ngayon. At naramdaman ko, this is one of the best team building na na-experience ko dito sa PDA. Dahil nung naramdaman ko na kami ngayon, we, as a family. Thank you so much po.
Ma'am Tony, thank you very much for, I think, you were able to steer the team towards the right direction.
Maraming salamat po sa pagbibigay nyo ng time and pagbibigay nyo ng yung pag-share nyo ng inyong expertise on how we as a group can work together.
Yeah, this is my third time with Miss Tony. One is at Dumaguete near the chapter. Then we had you during the VISCON. Yeah, I was the deputy ba ko ato? Yeah, I think I was the deputy chair back then. And today, yeah, today is an eye-opener for everybody. Maybe a refresher, no? A reminder for everyone that we have to be more understanding, inclusive, and welcoming to all the ideas of everyone.
And to Ma'am Tony, this is my second time attending the team building. So thank you po sa inyong pag-lecture or pag-seminar for opening up our mind na we have to focus only one for the glory of God and for the betterment of the PDA and to the members.
Giving that differences into one, patching up of all our differences in our personality to come up with a united officers of the PDA. So with that, thank you very much po, Ma'am Tony, and our utmost appreciation po. Again, a round of applause to Miss Tony.